We're at Kingswood Library today making lanterns for the Kingswood Lantern Parade, which is happening this Sunday over in Kingswood Park. It's a real community celebration, so it's a free event for everyone in Kingswood to come along to. And this is an annual event that's arranged by Kingswood Town Council and South Gloucestershire Council's Kingswood Park Regeneration Team. There'll be a procession of lanterns that people have made or are bringing along, live music and stalls when the weather's kind of dark and miserable. It's just a nice chance to bring people together for something fun.
It's a really good opportunity for some nice creative activities, and then it'd be fun to go and use it in the park, won't it, on Sunday? And there's going to be lots of people and lots of lights.
I cut the pot and I decorated it.
Monday we had, I think it must have been nearly 70 plus kids. So it was really busy. It was really exciting though for all of the kids. This space was completely full. And we're going to do another session though on Friday, 1 till 3 at Kingswood Library. So come along and you can make your lantern. Bring a bottle, a plastic bottle with the top cut off if you can, and we'll help you make it colourful.